back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying a Burger King Blizzard for the first time. I have never had one in my life before, which is kind of surprising. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Before we start the video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. So yeah, let's go. Before you keep watching, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, it'll be linked in the description down below. So yeah, continue watching. So yeah, I guess I'm just try it. That's good. Really good. Sitting down in a chair now, so I'm probably gonna be way lower. Oh, better than I expected. This is really good. I rate this an 8 out of 10. By the way, I just got a regular Oreo Blizzard. Nothing like advanced or anything. Oh my god. Really good. It's good but cold. I'm gonna need some water real quick. I got the water. Coronavirus! No, I don't know why this is so good. God. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet already hit the subscribe button, please make sure to hit it down below and follow my TikTok. It will be linked in the description down below. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.